Hello and welcome. You are watching In Your Interest here on News9 Live. I am Krishna Kumar. First up, a quick check of all our headlines. India's benchmark equity indices Sensex and Nifty close in the red after fluctuating between gains and losses throughout the day. A combination of weak earnings and profit booking offset a post-results rally in HDFC Bank, one of the top private lenders in the country. Sensex dropping around 70 points, finishing below the 8200 mark. Similarly, the Nifty also down roughly 70 points, closing below 24,800. The total market capitalization of all companies on the Bombay Stock Exchange fall by about 5 lakh crore rupees. Waaree Energy's IPO has received a great response from investors, with the issue being subscribed over 3 times on the first day of bidding. The demand was led by non-institutional investors who bid for 8.2 times the quota earmarked for them. The part meant for retail investors fetches around 3.3 times subscription. The qualified institutional buyers portion was booked 8%. Torrent Power, the energy division of the Gujarat-based Torrent Group, is reportedly planning to raise around 3,000 to 4,000 crore rupees through a qualified institutional placement or QIP of shares. According to reports, the proposed QIP aims to build a substantial cash reserve to fuel acquisitions and support organic growth initiatives. The funds will be used for key capital expenditures on new products, meeting working capital requirements and repaying existing debt. This strategic move positions Torrent Power to further strengthen its presence in the energy sector while pursuing growth opportunities. After nearly 100 flights received bomb threats in 7 days since the 14th of October, Union Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu says safety is the government's top priority and rules are being amended to put people who make such calls on the no-fly list. Making such threats will also be made a cognizable offence with provisions for punishment and fines. The minister says multiple meetings have been held with stakeholders since the spate of bomb hoax calls began, and amendments are being considered in the aircraft security rules so that people making such threats can be identified and taken to task. Hydrogen produced using renewable power is starting to sell for less than that made with natural gas in India, says green hydrogen producer Hygenco. The country is reliant on imports to meet its demand for natural gas, and that expense is reflected in the price of so-called grey hydrogen that may be tilting the balance in favor of the green version, which has typically been far costlier to produce.